Are you overloaded with hundreds to thousands of electronic documents like emails and PDFs? Are you tired of spending days, if not weeks, reviewing them one at a time in Outlook or Adobe? Would you like a way to review all these documents at the same time and quickly? By using the Early Data Analyzer from LexisNexis for first-pass data filtering, you can quickly remove non-responsive documents. Not only will you save time by reducing the amount of data being sent to attorneys, you'll also save money by reducing the amount of data being sent to outside vendors for processing. The Early Data Analyzer's easy-to-use interface lets you simply drag and drop your folders of data to queue them for analysis. They can be organized using custodians who typically are viewed as the owners of the data. If you are reviewing John Doe's emails, he would be the custodian of those emails. During the analysis process, critical information is collected like dates and email addresses for filtering later on. Documents also go through an indexing process to allow for keyword searching. Once the analysis phase is complete, you can now begin to filter out non-responsive data. Documents that may be a duplicate record or fall outside a specific date range and file type can all be removed from your collection by simply selecting whether you would like to include or exclude them. One of the most common filters used is the deduplication filter. By using this filter, you can quickly remove duplicate or redundant files. Documents can be filtered because they don't fall into the time frame of a case. In this example, the focus of my case is the year 2000. During the filtering process, records can be tagged on a bulk level or a record-by-record basis. Because all of the documents from the year 2000 are relevant to this case, I can apply a tag to the entire group. However, if I feel an individual record is critical to this case, I can apply a single document tag as well. By using my file type filter, I can easily focus on the file types that are relevant to this case. For this case, I only want to include Excel spreadsheets and Outlook emails. I can do this by checking the Include box to the left of these file types. Once the filtering steps have been completed, you can reduce the amount of data even further with FullText Searching. FullText Searching lets you search for records that only have keywords that are critical to your case. This could include people, places, or things. Once documents that contain these words are found, you have the option to apply a group tag or tag documents on an individual basis. An important feature of the Early Data Analyzer is the ability to maintain parent-child relationships throughout the filtering and full-text search processes. In this case, many of the documents that contain my keywords come from an email. The Early Data Analyzer will automatically include the parent email and vice versa. After all the filtering and full-text searching have been done, you can generate straightforward and easy-to-use filter summary and search reports. These reports can be provided to attorneys or to a vendor as a simple way to reconcile what data will be processed. Did you know, from every 30 gigabytes of discovery data, you can exclude an average of 9 gigabytes of non-responsive data? On average, the typical cost to have an outside vendor process discovery data is $500 per gigabyte. So for every 9 gigabytes you eliminate up front, you could potentially save $4,500. As you've been able to see, with today's escalating volume of data and associating cost, there's a greater need to be able to eliminate non-responsive data earlier. Let the Early Data Analyzer help you meet these challenges. Thank you, and we look forward to saving you time and money.